crossfire. It's caught in the cross.
Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guess what I have today? I'm going to accessorize my bike. Everybody loves to customize their bike, so I bought the Harley Davidson bar and mirror. It looks amazing. So right now I'm gonna go fix it to my bike, and let's see what equipment we need for it. So this is the bar and mirrors, and you need Allen key, but I don't have Allen key, so I'm using this Jugaad. So first of all, what we do is that we remove the side weights from the handlebars. These things. So these are the two weights that I removed just now. These weights, what they do is that they provide the handlebar to not shake much and to make the bike vibrate less. Okay, so now we're going to install the bar and mirrors at the same place from where we had taken out the weights. And yeah, the main thing is that you have to remove your top mirror. Mirror 1. Mirror 2. Make sure that you position these mirrors properly because you don't want to miss the vision. So the mirrors are finally fit, and let me show you how it looks like. Well guys, that's all for today's video, and I hope to see you in the next video. And in case if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to leave the like and subscribe to my channel because I will keep getting such kind of amazing videos for y'all. And stay blessed, stay subscribed.